What is up, team? So today we're gonna be reviewing Nasdaq and forecasting. This is after the release of the NFP yesterday. So now just preparing for the upcoming week and see what we can see, anticipate, and yeah, let's jump into it. We're focusing on Nasdaq at the moment. All right. So we're gonna use the top-down analysis starting maybe from the weekly time frame. All right. Now, on the weekly time frame, we're having a descending channel, which is a reversal type formation, reversal pattern. So I see we've got our first touch here, first touch, second touch. Now we're anticipating to receive the third touch here. However, it doesn't have to always touch. It may create a double bottom and then shoot all the way to the upside, right? Okay, now that we've gotten that, let's move on to our daily time frame. On the daily time frame, right, okay, we're able to anticipate the downwards move. However, there were two possibilities here, right? Probable and a possible outcome. It was possible that we could have impulse to the upside, perhaps if this was an impulse correction and another impulse, right? I'll try show you how we anticipated this downfall, how we took advantage of the fall. Right, here what I had this channel going like this, right? I had this moving down like this, and then I was anticipating that, all right, this is an impulse from there, impulse. I'm expecting a big type correction over here. However, that correction I anticipate I thought it would go to the upside, but then I noticed after the rejection impulse, this is an engulfing, right? It's a total retracement, 1 hour retracement candle. Okay, not 1 hour, but then a retracement candle, and then here is a continuation all the way to the downside. We're gonna see how we took advantage of that, right? Okay, cool. Here, this was our first one. Yeah, right here. Hope you can see this. Then impulse, and then we hit this symmetric type triangle. Then we also took advantage of that. Yeah, so that's how. But then we had to be extra careful over here because we didn't know whether it's gonna go back up or come back down. But then the type formation, the formation of the flag, they gave us an idea that we might continue to the downside, right? Let me clear the screen. All right, cool. Now we've impulsed the downside, right? I want you to take note of this. Take note of the fact that this is impulse. You can take this as an impulse, and then it's correcting now. Now we're expecting it to impulse down, right, to create the third touch that we're talking about. Oh, sorry about that. Expect it to impulse down and create the third touch that we're talking about over here, right? And then we're expecting it to reverse to the upside. All right. Let me clear the chat and make things more clear now. All right, cool. We are here now. This is like a continuation flag, a bear flag, sorry, a bear flag. All right. Let me hide this for now because that's what I'm about anticipating. All right, cool. Yeah, we have this bear flag, right? I want you to take note here. Yeah, I thought that this is a breakthrough, but then the reason, because what I had was this flag type, then it broke through, but then it trickled its way down giving me a descending channel, which is a reversal pattern. That's why I anticipated it to shoot up to the top, right? And I expected it to come touch here for a third touch. Now what I'm looking for this coming week is what I just hit just now. Is that, let's do this. Alright, cool. But then I'm expecting it to come down, create a continuation, then impulse all the way down, possibly even down, like break this black formation and go all the way down, right? That's what I'm expecting for this week. But then let's see what. So yeah, that's about the forecast and the analysis, right? Perhaps I can get the object tree and yeah, show you what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this so far. I haven't gotten the reason why I haven't entered the sell house because I haven't received any confirmation that we're going to the downside. But then if there's any type of formation like this, I'm gonna take it here, right? Like this, with my entry below and my stop right at the top there. Yeah, I think that's great. Yeah, then going all the way to the downside. But then don't take it. This is a good trade because we are looking for 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, but then it's already giving us within the channel. But then if we break the channel, it's much greater. It's like 11%, right? Which is very great. So this is a trade I'm looking forward to. However, it doesn't have to come back and touch there, right? We can always just have long. Let's see here what we have. Okay, cool. Let me take this pattern. Yeah, we can also have something like this, right? Perhaps a little bit smaller. Yeah, and if I get this, I'm going to use this analysis and just use. Sorry about that. Let me just take it back a sec. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna have, oh my goodness, what's going on? Let me use this. Yeah, I wanna use this continuation pattern. Right. And then, so whatever is gonna happen, yeah, I want us to be ready to capitalize on this trade, right? There's also a good risk to reward ratio because we're only risking 1%. This is dependent on how the size of your account, right? So yeah, then we check all the way down here. Then we also may get it to come all the way down to this point, right? Which is like almost 20% risk to reward. It is gonna reach 20% if respects here. So we're gonna have to be very careful once the price comes on this line because it might break through and come and touch that support area there at the 9,700 area. However, you know guys, the market is unpredictable. Anything is possible, so stay on the lookout, stay woke. Anyways, thank you so much guys. See you on the next video.